beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming. In today's video, I'm going to give you an update on my relaxer day. Okay, so stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Okay, so first of all, on the update, okay, let's start with my pre-relaxer routine. Okay, so my pre-relaxer routine, I did a wash day in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, please click on the link up here and watch it. Okay, yeah, I did a wash day. I did a protein treatment to make sure my hair was healthy before I got my relaxer. And the night before I got my relaxer, I made sure to base my scalp to prevent any scalp burns. Okay, I made sure to base my scalp with this Dax hair pomade. Yeah, this is what I use to base my scalp. Okay, it contains 100% pure lanolin to moisturize, soften, condition, and all that. So I used this pomade to base my scalp, and I also use coconut oil and this same pomade to base the length of my hair minus my new growth. Okay, I'm going to relax my new growth, so I don't need to apply anything onto my new growth. So the oil and the hair pomade, I applied it to the entire length of my hair, and yeah, that was basically what I did before my relaxer day. The day of my relaxer, I also went ahead with my Jamaican black castor oil on the length of my hair to further protect it. So why do you oil the length of your hair, or why do you base your scalp before you get a relaxer? You do that to prevent over processing and relaxer runoff. So somebody will ask what over processing is. You know that our relaxed hair, the length of our hair is relaxed, okay, and so it's processed. And so on getting relaxers, we don't relax the already relaxed hair. So over processing is when you relax the already relaxed hair, then your hair becomes weak. And since we are on this healthy hair journey and we don't want our hair to be weak, I made sure to protect my already relaxed hair by oiling it with coconut oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and my hair pomade. Okay, so yeah, and also relaxer runoff. You know that whatever you do, once you are washing the relaxer out, some of the relaxer may touch your already relaxed hair and you can't do anything about it. I made sure to prevent relaxer runoff by oiling the length of my hair. Okay, now to the relaxer day. Okay, it's just the same process, parting my hair, applying the relaxer and all that. So if you haven't watched my video on my relaxer day vlog, then please, the link will be somewhere here. Okay, kindly watch it. And yeah, now to the length check. Okay, so we are going to see how long my hair has grown since my previous relaxer. And it's very unfortunate that when I relaxed my hair before this new relaxer, I didn't really do a length check. So let's just say this is the beginning of my length check. Okay, and with my length check, I'm going to use this length check t-shirt. Okay, I'm using this length check t-shirt I made myself. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I did my length check t-shirt.
Okay, so for this I'm going to use a white t-shirt. You can use any color of your choice. I'm using white. You need a permanent marker. I'm using black. You can use any color of your choice, and you need a ruler as well. So I'm putting the paper that came with the t-shirt in between the front and the back to prevent the markings from appearing at the front of the t-shirt. So I'm going to put my ruler in the middle as I'm doing now and mark every inch with a dot. That is how we are going to see the length of our hair. I'm sorry I blocked your view. Okay, I only realized it after I was done, but it gets better as the video continues. So yeah, from here I'm going to rule lines through each dot so that we'll be able to track the length of our hair effectively. Okay, is it effectively? Yeah, or clearly, or yeah, whatever. Okay, so right now that I'm done rolling all my lines, I'll go ahead and number each line. Okay, that will let us know exactly how long our hair is. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, yeah, and so on and so forth. So yeah, this is how long my hair is now. Hopefully it is going to get longer as time goes on.
This is very simple. You can just get a t-shirt and make one at home and use it to check the progress of your hair growth. Okay, if your hair is not growing, don't worry. Once you have healthy hair over length. Okay, my post relaxer routine is the same thing. I have a video on it. If you haven't watched it, go ahead and watch it and update yourself on what I do post relaxer. The only difference here is that this time around I did a roller set and I'm going to air dry my hair till tomorrow. Okay, no heat. Yeah, so now to the big announcement. Okay, so the big announcement is that I am joining AJ on the 3 months no chemicals challenge. Okay, AJ is doing a 3 months no chemical challenge, but in addition to the no chemical challenge that I am doing a no heat challenge. You know, heat damages the hair, right? So I am doing a no heat challenge in addition to the no chemicals challenge. So no chemicals means all natural products, natural shampoo, natural conditioner, and all that. Okay, no chemicals. Okay, so we are not using our cream of nature shampoo, we are not using our ORS shampoo, none of that. Okay, none of that. So if you want to see how I make my all natural shampoo and all natural conditioner, please let me know down below in the comment section and I will do that for you. So if you also want to join me on the 3 months no chemicals no heat challenge, please let me know in the comments and let's do this together. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have learned a lot. Okay, please make some of the length check t-shirts and let me know how it goes. Okay, thank you very much for watching today's video. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting, all that good stuff. We are on the road to 1K. As at this time of making this video, I have 813 subscribers and I am very grateful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have watched up to this point and you have not subscribed, wahala for you. Thank you very much for watching today's video. Until next time, it's